Okay, we have a 3D body. Also we have other body, its name is stock. Check it out and see it in graphic window. To start the machining process, go to the Advanced Machining Workbench. Good, first in Design Tree. Check the main 3D body. Also check the stock body. Try to do it and complete the job. Now in Design Tree, double-click on Part Operation. Now in Dialog Box, first define the machine. Now in Machine Editor dialog box, in the list, select the 3-axis machine, and OK. Back again and next step, find and click on this icon. Reference Machining Axis System, in New dialog box, you can see this CSYS. Now in Design Tree, show the stock body. Then click on this point in dialog box, and, in graphic window, click and select this point on stock body to complete the selection process. Okay, it's so good. Complete the job and again in Part Operation. Click on Part icon, and then in Design Tree, click on Main Part Body. Okay. Back again, and this time, click on Stock icon, and repeat this operation and select the stock. OK, first strategy is roughing. Find it in Toolbar and run the command and now in dialog box. OK, so good. In Geometry tab, first define the part body. Do it and complete the job. Back again and this time, here. Select Top Plane, show the stock in graphic window, and then select this top face of stock as top plane. OK. Now this offset text, change both of them to 2 mm, try to do it and complete the job. OK, it's so good. Now in Strategy tab. In Machining tab, change the toolpath style to zigzag, and then in Radial tab, step over. Keep the 50% of tool diameter, and then check the parameters on Axial tab, and complete the job. OK. Now in Tool tab, deactivate the Ball and Tool checkbox, and change the fillet radius of the bottom of tool. OK. Complete the job and if necessary increase the length of tool, change its dimensions and finish the process. Test it more and more and check it out the dimensions of tool again and again. OK, it's so good. And now make the toolpath and see the operation. OK, it's so good. OK, now define the top plane, complete the selection and do it in graphic window. Check the offset text values. 0. In Strategy tab, in Machining tab, check the machining tolerance, and other parameters, step over tab. In Radial and Axial, number of path and number of level must be 1, and finally check the tool. OK. Now see the full video and check it out the toolpath animation and all strategies in this machining operation. Okay, in this video tutorial we want to simulate another manufacturing strategy in PTC Creo software. First, in part environment, create your 3D body, and also create a coordinate system here. Note that its Z direction must be into the top side. Check it out, and now, save your model, and click New Icon, and then in the list, select Manufacturing, and subtype as ANSI Assembly. Choose your desired name, do it here, and OK the dialog box, and now you are in manufacturing environment. OK, it's so good. First in ribbon, in component, reference model, run the assemble reference model command, and in the list select your desired component that created in part environment. OK. It's so good, and make a fixed constraint, and OK the command. You can see the model in graphic window. You must select a retract reference, type as plain. OK, and then, in reference, select top flat face of workpiece. Do it and complete the selection in graphic window. OK, and then, in value, write your desired distance, and check it out in graphic window. So good. Test this value more and fix it, and then specify the machining tolerance. OK, and fix it. It's so good. Next strategy for the walls is profile milling. Find it in ribbon and run the command. First set the tool, create a new tool and set its parameters and dimensions. Try to do it and complete the job, and then complete the creation tool and then back in profile milling dialog box. Next strategy is surface mill. Set the parameters similar to this video tutorial. OK, let's start. So good. Next strategy series is drilling, and ribbon find and run the standard drilling, and now in dialog box, first make a new tool, type as spot drill, find it in list and select it, edit and change its name. OK, so good. Diameter is 30 mm, length is 70. And set other parameters and dimensions. OK.
In assembly environment, we have two models. Part body, and stock. This two bodies created separately in modeling environment. Now in dialog box, in geometry subtype, select MCS, in location, select MCS mill, OK the command. Next step, in ribbon bar, find and run the create operation command, OK, now in dialog box. Now change your desired options and machining parameters. Change the settings and your desired parameters according to this video tutorial. Let's start.